It is another weekend, and I thought I would just take you guys along with me today. It's a little bit later in the day. It's actually the day after daylight savings, or is today daylight savings? I don't know. But it's the day where we fall backwards, which is probably one of my favorite days of the year because I can sleep in a little bit and I still gain an hour, which is really nice. I've just been kind of like puttering around this morning, made some breakfast, been watching YouTube. Anna from the Anna Edit is back, which I'm so excited. If you guys don't follow her channel, you should. She just makes such great videos. Yeah, I don't really know what we're gonna do today, but I thought I would take you guys around and share my day with you. So hope you enjoy. This is what I'm wearing today. I've had this like black denim skirt forever, and then just a turtleneck tucked in because it's kind of chilly out today. So I get to wear tights for the first time this season. I feel like usually I'm in sweatpants, so kind of nice to change it up a little bit. Please excuse the like weird cycling bibs that are in the background. We have them hanging literally all over our house. Jared is like an avid cyclist, and so we have all these crazy outfits that when he's done riding, he just like hangs on a door frame until he puts it in the hamper. So that is what that is. I don't really do that much of a morning skincare routine. I literally just splash my face with water and then put on moisturizer and sunscreen. I'm not sure if I'm going to film something today. Usually on the weekends is when I film videos for you guys. So I'm just going to put on moisturizer and leave my skin like that, and then kind of decide if I want to film for you or not. I'm still using the Emma Lewisham products that I talked about in a video a while ago. Really love them still. I'm like starting to get to empty, or where you have to start scraping around the sides. But this has just been such a great skincare brand for me. I've noticed a huge difference in like the brightness of my skin and evenness, which were two things that I was always a little bit self-conscious of. I had a lot of pigmentation, and these products have just made a huge difference. And that is my morning skincare routine. Like I said, I usually put on sunscreen, but I might film and put on some makeup, so we'll wait to see. Someone has not gotten a walk yet today and is very displeased with me, but it's gonna have to wait because I have a lot of dishes that I need to do, okay? Oh, come on, don't give me that look. We'll go on a walk later, okay? Quickly, before I do dishes, Jared made some brownies last night, so I'm gonna cut myself one so I'll have some energy to do what I need to do. Talked about these over on Instagram, but I just got these from Pharmaca. They kindly gifted them to me. But if you're doing like a lot of dishes and you kind of want to end on like a very clean note, these are nice to pop into your disposal, and they just like make everything feel really fresh. They look like this, and you just put them right in your disposal, turn some water on, and then pop the disposal on. Whenever Jared gets home, there's always like a huge increase in energy in the household. Moose gets very excited that he's back because we've mostly had like a relaxed morning together and he's been sleeping. Whenever Jared comes home, they just go absolutely crazy together, which I guess is a good thing because Moose is a puppy, has a lot of energy, and definitely needs someone who can match that energy. And I will be honest, that is not me. I'm definitely more there for the calm walks and the cuddles, and I leave all of the rumpusing to Moose and Jared, and they do a very good job of it. I ordered us poke for lunch, so I got a bowl with some crab, cucumbers, jalapenos, these like really yummy crispy onion things, onions, tofu mix, and then rice and avocado. What's nice about this place, almost everything is gluten-free except for their seaweed salad, so I don't get that, but it's really nice to be able to have something that's like very flavorful and just like different. I feel like if you guys eat gluten-free, then you know sometimes you just eat the same food over and over again. So this is a nice treat today.
A puppy. I want a puppy.
You want another puppy?
Yeah. Listen.
Previously on Desperate Housewives.
Just decided to go to Trader Joe's because there are so many good, yummy snacks there, and I feel like we never shop there. I don't know why. Well, actually, I do know why. Okay, one, I think the produce goes bad really quickly, and I don't like that they wrap it all in plastic. And two, I think for a while they didn't have like a great gluten-free selection, but they do have some yummy snacks. So we thought we could go snack shopping there, and we got some like stuff for dinner too. But I wanted to show you guys what we got. So we got some good stuff. So this is like a little mini grocery haul. First off are these power berries. I used to have these all the time in college, haven't had them for years. Super excited to be eating these this week. Jared got some like peanut butter pretzels, which are his favorite snack. Another Jared purchase, he got these peanut butter cups, which smell very good. And I got sunflower seed butter cups. To get these from from Whole Foods, where we do like most of our grocery shopping, but they stopped selling the ones that I used to get. So I'm excited to try these. I bet they're gonna be delicious. We got hot honey, which if you don't have hot honey to put on like pizzas, like if you make a cheese plate, you can put it on that. It's so good. We actually just finished a brand that I picked up a while ago, or are finishing. Show you guys. This one was really good. It's called Bee's Knees Spicy Honey, since I guess a Brooklyn-based brand. This was super good. I don't know about the Trader Joe's one. We'll have to see. This is my first time trying it. And then these just look delicious. They had latkes, but they weren't gluten-free. So these are cauliflower pancakes that I thought we could try instead, which are gluten-free. And tonight we're gonna just make grilled cheese and soup. So we needed butter for that, soup for that, cheese for that here. And then I got these too. These are definitely not good for you, but they look delicious. This is rolled corn tortilla chips, chili and lime flavored. I think I'm gonna open these up and try them right now. Yeah, so we got some yummy snacks, which I feel like we never have in our house because we try and, you know, like not buy a ton of stuff, and then if we're shopping at Whole Foods, it's so expensive. So I excited to try these too. Cauliflower pancakes. Why is like cauliflower so in right now? I don't know, but everything can be made with cauliflower, which is, I guess, kind of cool. Verdict is these are so good. Definitely will not be able to keep these in the house because they're so good. Bag is going to be gone in 24 hours, if not less time. But these chips are delicious. I have needed to wash my makeup brushes for longer than I care to say. Like, we're talking about months here, not weeks. Certainly not days. Yeah, months. I've needed to wash them and just haven't been using them because they're so dirty. So finally I'm getting around to washing them today. I guess I just needed the extra hour or something to get them done. Really need to wash them. I'm just gonna use this Beauty Blender soap that I have left over from a while ago. I also have a Jenny Patinkin soap that I've been meaning to try. This is just what I have on hand and what's already been opened. So we're gonna do that today and finally get these cleaned.
Is like become really attached to this buggy, and she keeps saying like my pink buggy. So we're gonna have to post the peanut butter podcast. Yeah, feeling ready for the day. In terms of how I don't know if I've got that SPT tick. It passes so quickly. Just getting like all the little newborn cuddles in. It'll be so cute.
God, that took so long, but I finally finished. This is a reminder to everyone to wash your brushes as you use them so that you don't have to do what I just did, which is spend like an hour washing them. But I did get to catch up on some YouTube videos that I haven't seen. I feel like all today I've gotten to catch up a little bit. I've been watching a lot of Elena Tabor's videos. Where I Live is another great channel. Jared's on the phone downstairs. But yeah, I got to catch up on some videos, which is nice. And that was a chore that I have really been putting off. In fact, I think I'm just gonna wipe down my whole vanity right now because it's pretty dusty and dirty, and I've just been using water, but I think I need the good stuff. I need to pull out the Windex and yeah, clean up a little. It's only 5:30 and it's crazy how dark it is. The moon is already out. You can see just a tiny little sliver. I have extra time on Sunday nights or even sometimes like a Friday night. I like to sit down and really clean off my desktop because I work from home 99.99% of the time. And so my desk accumulates so much stuff, so many mugs throughout the week, just like a lot of stuff, a lot of clutter. Just heard him come up the stairs. Hi, I haven't seen you in a little while. I like to get it really clean, wipe it down, and then sit down with like a cup of hot water or something to drink and just like kind of pencil in like what I'm gonna be doing during the week. If there's anything going on, any like major things that I want to note. I don't know why, I just feel like I like sleep better at night. It doesn't have to like circulate in my head, it's down on pen and paper. I use this appointed year task planner. This was my first year with it. Definitely enjoyed parts of it. Felt like I could use maybe a little something different next year. I'm looking at what they sell. So I think it's a beautiful planner. They have really beautiful formats, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna repurchase this one, or maybe I will, I don't know. Go to your bed?
No.
Good boy. Okay, I'm gonna get your dinner.
You like pina coladas?
Sit. Go to your bed. Down. Down. Good boy. Touch. Sit. He has one of your beard hairs in his beard. Good boy. Sit. Touch. Okay. Good boy. We're having grilled cheese and tomato soup for dinner, which I feel like is a really classic cold weather meal. I don't know, maybe that's just an us thing. Let me know what you guys have on colder nights, and if you guys ever have grilled cheese with tomato soup, but I feel like it's such a classic. All right, it is 8 o'clock. We finished up dinner, which was absolutely delicious. I've just been kind of picking stuff up and cleaning things up so that I feel like we're starting the week off with like a relatively clean house. I'm sure within a few hours tomorrow it won't feel that way anymore. Always feels good to kind of like wrap up the day with a clean house. So running the dishwasher, have a whole load of other dishes that I'll need to load into the dishwasher once this one's done. This time of year is always so crazy, just with like holidays, and my sister's wedding is coming up, and yeah, I feel like the time is just going by so quick. Hard to keep up with everything. So having like a nice, clean, organized house always feels really good. At least that's like one thing that's sort of like in my control. It feels so late right now, even though it's really only 9 o'clock. Feels way later than that. Speaking of which, right on cue. So I think I'm gonna wrap this up here. I hope you guys enjoyed spending another day with me. I feel like my days are like pretty mundane, and you know, I don't do anything crazy, but it's nice to share them with you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys have a really wonderful week, and if you did enjoy this and you want to see other videos, or maybe you want to watch some of my makeup videos, then please hit the subscribe button. It really helps my channel and helps me, and yeah, just a really great way to support creators that you enjoy watching. So with that being said, I'll wrap this up. I'll see you guys very soon, and thanks again for watching. Bye.